Hello, my dear friends and brethren. I am glad to be with you. I am Raúl Escobar Duran. Nothing to do with the other Escobar who was in the news. I dedicate my life to deal with diseases because today people are interested to cure diseases. But our worry is not about diseases, it's about the sick one. Because Hippocrates, the considered father of the medicine, he used to say, there is no disease but there are sick people. And among the sick people are congenital, who were born like that, we cannot do so much with them. And we have the acute disease that's easy for us to help the people. But the becoming worse when it's chronic, and the last state is the corruption of the tissues and the organs. And if we do it, any treatment on time will be great. We will be successful. And now when we consider the varicose vein formed by the dilatation and swelling of the vein in the legs, sometimes come also in the arm. When palpated, the vein are triggered, and nothing. What is the cause? What did we get sick from this terrible disease? Whatever is possible constantly, we need to refresh the part. But we need to understand that the cause is the impurity of blood. The circulation is bad. Involve a congestion vein that can be seen with the naked eyes, too painful inflammation that can indicate internal and superficial varices vein. It is not descongested on time. Then the process continue the courses and the varicose vein arrive in ulceration. As we know, the impurification of the blood, because we have many vices, so much sugar, fried food, eating any time. Sometimes the people eat several times in the day. Yeah, we know this impurification of the blood congested and accumulates unnatural elements we are eating often. Poor digestion. We need to evacuate as more we eat every time of eating. 2 or 3 evacuation daily. Some people pass one day and they don't do evacuation. Don't forget that if we eat 3 times the minimals and we evacuate 1 and once in a while, not often, all this stool is not eliminated, and part of that is circulation in the blood, because the liver have one commission. It's a laboratory, clean the blood. And all that accumulation need to go somewhere. And if the people have varicoses problem, varicose vein disease, then the people are congested with many impurification who are concentrated in this part of the body. People who are standing up all the day in the work, people who use bandage with elastic clothing, then the mother, pregnant, women who are usually altered by the fact the fetus developing excessively and the pressure of the vein in the uterus and the pelvis that hindering blood circulation. That's why it is very important daily we do a cold water application. Of course, we need to be, the body need to be not in cold places, but this 2 minutes cold water is wonderful. Also can do it hot and cold. Some minutes, 2 or 3 hot and very cold 1 minute. That will help if you do it 2 times a day. And to avoid the varicose vein, need to practice a special dieting, health regimen to stay healthy. We must to have a good digestion, abandon vices, and stimulate the work of the skin. How we do that? Daily application of the combination of hot and cold water. Always the last application must be cold and dressing up fast. And to do some exercises that there be a good circulation of the blood. You will notice as far as you be careful in your dieting and the way you eat, because all kind of medication that will bring a double work of the body, because that turn incurable with the operations that will become worse. And all the medication is false imagination, you are better. But if you deal with these varices, you get a mat compress. You get from the garden, dig deeply and get the clay without the stone, and after with water you apply a special pomade placed over the ulcers or the varices, varicose, and you can do a packet with a small amount. Cover well and with a towel, and you will find a great relief if you eat daily. we have a good result when we eat at the same time lot of fruits. Because the question we ask sometimes to our patient is, how you consider the eating of fruit, as a dessert or as a food? And don't forget, this is a food, all the nutritious element you need for your body, and you will remember this conversation we have, and I will bring back to Daniel chapter 1 in the Bible. One strong recommendation I want to give to everybody who is sick of any kind of disease. Daniel chapter 1, 8 to 15. He make a proposal because they have a special way of eating. Told to the in charge of the dieting, because he was afraid the king will be angry with him. But he said, try only 10 days. And there is different version, and they said vegetables was the dieting. And now we have like this. 3 days only fruit, morning, noon, and evening. And then other 3 days, fruit in the morning, at noon, any kind of vegetable salad with lemon, with olive oil, and salt, sea salt. And you eat a lot of vegetables, onion, garlic, and lettuce, tomato, all kind of food. You have carrot also, you can ground it, and then in the evening fruit. And then you start little by little going back to your daily dieting. But always there must be to be healthy forever. More than half of your food must be raw. And don't forget, living food have living life for everybody. Try to eat more raw food, because that was the food of original food you read in Genesis chapter 1 in the Bible. This is the origin of mankind. Then we need to eat more natural, all the food who is not cooked, because as you see, all the big animals, elephant, horses, cow, and this animal eat lot of vegetable, raw food. Even the giraffe, they eat only leaves, eat only natural way of your dieting, and you will remember this moment we are together, because I am practicing that all my life. It's in my concern for you, and God bless you in your dealing with your body in different way. That is health reform. Is my wish for you.